Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to fix a radiator leak with K-Seal. So right now, as you can see, I have a bad radiator leak somewhere. Alright, so step one, you want to turn your car on, get it to operating temperature. Basically just get it warmed up. Step two, get your K-Seal, shake it all up. Shake it really long, really hard, and after that, it should be good. Just open it up, and take this protector off. There we go. And what you want to do is just pour it in there. You want to shake it really long before the... Alright, so after you pour it, of course your car should be on, and all you have to do is wait. Just let it run through your car. And now, what you want to do is take your coolant, shake that up, and then pour it in with the K-Seal. Right after you pour it in the K-Seal, shake it up. Open it up, and yeah, just pour it in. Hold on a second. Oh, this is gonna be messy. It's okay though. All right. As you can see, my leak has just stopped. It's just dripping some water over there. But yeah. The K-Seal sealed it up. It's running good now. Now I just gotta fill it up with more coolant. And that's how you stop a radiator leak. Thanks for watching.